How you doing everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be making some mushroom gravy with ramps. So I'm out picking my chanterelles. These mushrooms are just getting a little bit dry, but I think they're going to work just fine for what we're doing here. And we're going to be getting some ramps. So the ramps, and a lot of people don't know it, but you can get ramps all year long, not just in the spring. I know in the spring you can get the tops, but like this is September 1st, and I'm out digging ramp bulbs. So you can get your bulbs, and they're ramps. Pretty easy to identify. By the ball on the top, you can see the seed ball. That's a blossom. That's where it would bloom and seeds would get up on there. So we got our ramps. Let's get them back to the house. And we got our mushrooms. Let's get them back there and get them cleaned up and start with our gravy and biscuits. Okay, this is the way our ramps came out of the woods when we dug them up. And as you can see, they have this stuff on the bottom, a little stem on the top. We don't want the stem, nor do we want the bottom of it. These are very easy to clean. All you have to do is pull on it. It's just like an onion. Same way you would clean an onion, you're going to clean this garlic up. Just take some of that outer tough skin off of it. And then just chop this piece off. And chop this piece here off, and this is what we're going to use in our gravy. Okay, we have about 8 bulbs here. We're going to use these in our gravy. What I'm doing now is just cutting the bottoms off of these and trying to get the bigger chunks of stuff off of them, and then we'll go ahead and rinse them. You'll never get all the stuff off of them, but that just gives it more flavor. Okay, there's our ramps that we're going to be using. And here is our mushrooms we're going to be using. So this will all go into our gravy mix. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop up our ramps. We have about 8 ramp cloves here. Just cut them in half, each one of them. This just makes it easier to cut them up. When you go to slice them, they're not rolling around. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our knife and we're going to just slice these very thinly. And we're going to go right through them all just like that. Okay, now we have our ramps right there. That will be more than enough for a nice pot of gravy. And now we're just going to chop our mushrooms up. We're just going to chunk them up. We'll dice these up basically the same way that is. Just chop them up. That looks pretty good. Okay, this is our 3 main ingredients to our gravy. We got 1 pound of bulk sausage, about 8 ramp cloves, and about 2 cups of mushrooms. We're going to get started with this sausage. Alright, our sausage is almost done, so we're going to go ahead and add our ramps to it and our mushrooms. Okay, we turned that heat down. Just gonna let them cook just a little bit. Then we're gonna add some flour. We're just going to try to cook the flour a little bit to get that flour taste out of it. Now we're going to add milk. Turn the heat back up a little bit. We're going to add milk a little bit at a time. We're going to bring this back to a boil. And we're going to continue stirring. We want to stir it, bring it back to a boil. Once it comes to a rolling boil, turn it down to a simmer. I can smell the mushrooms and the ramps in this. So we want to get it down to a simmer, just a small simmer. Now it's starting to cool off a little bit. We're going to salt and pepper. Gonna let that simmer just a few minutes. Now, just to sweeten it up a little bit, we're gonna put a nice hefty spoon of brown sugar. Okay, this is a nice thick gravy. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off and get our biscuits out. Look at that thick gravy. Julie always yells at me because I make my gravy too thick for her. But this is how I like my gravy. Thick gravy. Alright, that's our gravy and biscuits. The ramps were wild from the woods September 2nd, 1st or 2nd. Wild chanterelle mushrooms, bulk sausage, salt, pepper, and a little bit of brown sugar. That's all you need. Some biscuits and some butter and a cup of coffee to go with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. You're not going to believe how good these taste. And all we added was salt and pepper and the brown sugar. And they're delicious. You can taste the wild ramps in it. I can taste the mushroom. Oh, the mushrooms are so good. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.